Imaging how an affiliate marketing adventure can change your life. The world of affiliate marketing is very vast and exciting. There are so many ways that one can enter and use their knowledge of this field to help promote their own business. It depends completely on the individual. That said, no matter what your marketing skills are, here are some tips to help you. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. You should always be aware of the payout structure of your affiliate product. It is fine to go with a product that generates only one payout, but products that offer recurring payments and even upsell offers are the ones you should be going after with the most gusto. You're in this game to make money. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. Affiliate marketing is a fascinating and exciting world that is only limited by the extent of a person's product and budget. There are many possibilities, products, and techniques. Start experimenting to find something new for yourself or to learn something new that you can better for your business. Become a better affiliate marketer by using these tips. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.